Here's a review on the Bushcraft by Dave Canterbury. And if you don't know who Dave Canterbury is, he's got a big YouTube channel. He's a big professional bushcrafter all over YouTube. I think he's got multiple channels. But I thought I'd pick this up and look it over. And I would love, to recommend this. I truly would. But I really don't recommend it. And I'll show you why. I mean, mostly everything in these books, there's very few diagrams. It's 90% stories. There are some diagrams, and the diagrams aren't even all that great. But there are much better books out there. It does talk about compass reading. It does try to touch on a little bit of everything. I wouldn't give it, a 10 out of 10 or even a 9 out of 10. And I'd say, if you are going to pick this up, then pick this up last, because all the information is not in here. I may even send this back yet. I'm not fully sure yet, because I'm quite disappointed with this complete set. Or I just might keep it and throw it on the shelf with my library. But there are much better books out there to pick up. And at the top here, I'll link a couple that you can actually go and see that are far better. But a really good book to pick up that'll blow these out of the water is this here, the SA Survival Handbook. Pick that up if you truly want to learn how to read a compass and get nothing but a compass book. But I'll have links at the top that are going to come out here for you guys to go check out. But I can't recommend this. I really can't. I've gone through it 4 or 5 times, and it's like you're reading a story. It's not where you're truly learning that much unless you concentrate really hard, and it really lacks in the diagrams. The diagrams are there's almost none. I'm really disappointed, actually. I guess he's better at video than he is at writing books, I guess. But I don't recommend Dave Canterbury the Bushcraft box set here unless you're trying to add to your library. But I'll have a link at the bottom to it if you want to pick it up. But like I said, there's a lot other better books out there that are done a whole lot better. Okay guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Links are in the bottom.